Hi. So I was thinking about making this video for quite some time. This is a really simple method that I use to design thumbnails of my YouTube videos. So I was going to design a thumbnail for one of my video, and I thought I should just record the whole process so you guys can see my complete thought process of designing a YouTube logo and how I use a simple tool, simple free tool which helps me keep track of the YouTube thumbnail size and make it attractive as well. Okay, so this is the service. This is a really great website that I use to design YouTube thumbnails. You can see all the thumbnails that I have designed from this website. So here is the complete process. I am currently working on one of my video to compress PNG sizes. So I'm going to design a thumbnail for that video. So let's go to canva.com. You might have to first create an account over here. So just quickly sign up your account using a simple sign up method. You can use your email and just simply sign up an account. So once on Canva, you can click on create design, and here you can search YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now Canva opens up a great editor for us. It has some great presets, some great thumbnail ideas that you can use. So since most of my videos are some tutorial kind of videos, I usually follow this pattern of thumbnails, this style of thumbnails. Not this one, sorry, this one. So I just mostly follow this style of thumbnails. So what I really like is this one. Why I like this thumbnail design is because it has some bold, some attractive, some quite appealing text visuals which are visible in the small area of thumbnail, and you can easily see what the video is about. Okay, so my video is about compressing PNG files. So this is the website that I'm using to compress PNG files. You can refer to the video on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to design a thumbnail for that. Okay, so let's see how I do that. So I'm using the same software to record this video that I use to take screenshots of part of screen. So let me just quickly take a screenshot of part of this page, and then I will quickly show you how I'm going to create that thumbnail. Okay, so I captured the screenshot, and let me show you the screenshot that I captured. Okay, so what I did is I converted a PNG, and this is the screen that I got. So what I want to do is I want to include this part so I can write something over the left side of the thumbnail, and I can show users that the images convert right in the thumbnail itself, so that the thumbnail is attractive and the audience can understand that this video is the one that they are looking for. So I'm going to use this image as the primary background of my thumbnail. So let's move on to our Canva design. Okay, so right now it has a dog photo in the background. So let me just use mine. Okay, I'm just going to drag and drop this one over here. Okay, so now I've got the image, but it's not in the complete background. So what do I do? What I can do is I have to right click on this thumbnail and click replace background. So what it does is it maps the whole picture in the complete thumbnail resolution. Now I have this text, but the text is not visible. Now what should we do? Let me first think of something, some attractive, some appealing text. Okay, now let's work on the color department. So it obviously should have a dark color, so it is apparent on our light background. Okay, so it looks like we need to work on the text. It has a lot of text which is not good. Okay, so let's first we don't need some unnecessary word. We just need a phrase enough so the user is able to understand what the video is about. Okay. So what I usually try to do is just make sure all text is aligned. If I have to individually change the size of each and every line, then that's what I do. Perfect. So now this thumbnail has a lot going on. User can see this 82% rating over here. User can see some PNG, some JPEG text over here. User can see something has finished. User can clearly see what this video is meant about. They can see that we are going to reduce the size of PNGs or JPEGs up to 90% without using any software. This is just one of the way that you can use to design thumbnails. Okay, so now that our thumbnail is ready, what we can do is we can just simply click download. Sometimes the download takes some time to process the whole image, but now since we were talking about different things on the Canva, so it just happened right away. So what we should do now is we click download. It will take some time to process the design, and yep, it's ready. So hope you like this video. Feel free to ask me anything in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to help. Thank you.